Hello everyone, this is Amika Mahajan. Welcome to my channel. This video is focused on case study based questions. Before reading situation passage, first of all, we should read the questions. First question is, what is relationship between I, I1, I2, I3? From figure, it is clear that this is parallel combination of resistors connected to a voltage source of voltage V. Now, we have to calculate what is the potential difference across each resistor, or compare the two values of voltmeter reading, one across AB and one across R1. Third one, if the teacher replaces three resistors which are connected in parallel combination by an equivalent single resistor of resistance RP such that voltage across it and current through this remains same, what will be the relationship between RP, R1, R2 and R3? We have to deduce this relation. हम डिड्यूस करना है, सिर्फ रिलेशन स्टेट नहीं करना, उसको निकाल के दिखाना. Now let's read the statement. The physics teacher, Mr. Mukesh, made parallel combination of three resistors R1, R2, R3 and connected it with a battery, a plug key and ammeter. Also, he connected a voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. Just check this figure. What he did, he connected this voltmeter across AB. He plugged the key and noted this ammeter reading. Let I be the current. He also took voltmeter reading. It gave potential difference V across the combination. Then he connected this voltmeter across R1. अब AB से हटा के R1 के क्रॉस लगा दिया in parallel. Voltmeter is always added in parallel. And after that, he connected it to R2, then R3. So then he removed this voltmeter, ammeter from the circuit. Then he took this ammeter and connected in series with R1, because ammeter is always added in series with the circuit like this. Then he connected it to R2 in series. Then he connected it to R3 in series. So he measured current through R1, R2, R3. These were I1, I2 and I3 respectively. So what is the first question? What is the relationship between I1, I2 and I3? In parallel combination, this current coming out from the voltage source is divided among different components of the combination connected in parallel. So if I is the total current drawn out from the battery, I1, I2 and I3 are the currents passing through different resistances of combination, that is parallel combination, then I will be I1 plus I2 plus I3. So what will be the answer? I is I1 plus I2 plus I3. Next question. What is the potential difference across each resistor? In parallel combination, whatever voltage is applied across the combination will be same across each component of the combination. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जो voltage इस parallel combination के cross है, वही voltage R1 के cross होगी, R2 के cross होगी और वही R3 के cross होगी. So what is voltage across? Potential difference across each resistor? This V1 will be V2, will be V3, will be same as that of the voltage across combination, and this combination voltage is same as that of voltage applied across this combination. Or part, compare two values of voltmeter reading, one across and AB. जब हमने AB के क्रॉस लगाया तो वो जो वोल्टेज होती है वही वोल्टेज किसके क्रॉस होती है? इंडिविजुअल कंपोनेंट के क्रॉस. और ये जो AB के क्रॉस वोल्टेज होती है, ये वो वोल्टेज होती है जो हमने सोर्स लगाया होता है उसकी वोल्टेज की. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वोल्टेज अक्रॉस AB V के इक्वल, तो वोल्टेज अक्रॉस R1 वोल्टेज अक्रॉस AB के इक्वल होगी, तो वो भी V होगी. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट ही डिड, he took single resistor having value RP and connected in place of R1, R2 and R3. It is given in question. This situation is given in question. That means single resistance RP was connected with voltage source V, like this. This RP was having same value as that of net resistance of R1, R2 and R3. So we have to find relationship between RP, R1, R2 and R3. Now check here. He says same current I and same voltage is there in both the situations. When I take this equivalent resistance RP, single resistance RP, then what I find that this voltage will be I into RP. So when I find this circuit, what I find that voltage across 1 will also be V, which is equal to I into R1. Voltage across 2 will be V, which is I to R2. Voltage across V3 will be V, which is equal to I3 R3. That means current is being divided in parallel combination. So what will be I? I will be V by RP. I1 will be V by R1. I2 will be V by R2. I3 will be V by R3. And we know that total current will be sum of individual currents. So V by RP equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So V will cancel out 1 by RP equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the relationship between RP and R1, R2 and R3. जब तीन रेजिस्टेंस की जगह पे उनकी नेट वैल्यू के इक्वल आरपी लगा दिया, सेम वोल्टेज और सेम करंट है, तो जो करंट थ्रू दिस सर्किट विल बी V by RP. अब इस सर्किट में ये जो टोटल करंट आई तीनों रेजिस्टेंस में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, तो फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस के अक्रॉस जो करंट आएगा दैट विल बी I1 इक्वल टू V by R1. Similarly I2 and I3. So total current will be sum of I1, I2 and I3. So I will put values of I1, I2 and I3 in this equation. Cancelling V, what I get 1 by RP is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe my channel.